turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. The cabin filter is located on the passenger side under the glove box. By hand, unscrew the 2 plastic screws which hold the cover under the glove box in place and remove it. Take the flange on the cabin filter and slide it to the right so you can remove it. Then pull on the cabin filter to take it out. There are 2 types of cabin filter. The white ones are called pollen filters, while the black ones are called activated charcoal filters. The first ones help prevent dust from entering, while the second filters out both dust and gases. The choice is yours. Put the new filter in, paying close attention that it is inserted the right way up with a cut part on the side of the door. Then slide it to the left. While still holding the filter, replace the flange. Place it flat against the box of the cabin filter and fix it in place, sliding it to the left. Put the cover under the glove box compartment back on, screwing the 2 plastic screws by hand. Operation completed.